Hi, this is Arif Billah. Today I wanna talk about cyberpanel so that we can manage the cyberpanel from ourselves. We don't need much technical knowledge to customize cyberpanel or add website or install SSL certificate and other stuff. So let's see, this is our cyberpanel interface. So after login the cyber panel, you will get interface like that. So this is the login URL, your IP address, and then the port. Okay, so IP address is your IP address and port is fixed 8090. Okay, so first of all we see the dashboard. So this one is dashboard. Here we see CPU uses, RAM uses, disk uses, and the others option. Okay, vision management, design, connect, community, these things are not needed. So the user, you see the main. So this main and this main are same. So we use this left side panel. So this is very easy to manage or control. For example, we want to create a new user. So here from we can create a new user. And okay, so sometime you may need to access your developer. So you have three type of option: admin, reseller, and user. So this thing is very easy, so I don't wanna take time to show this user setting. Okay, so I go to the website. Okay, so WordPress also we don't need because we can do all the WordPress installation and customization using the website options. Okay, so we ignore the WordPress also, we ignore the Docker apps also. Yes, website, this is very important for us. So first of all, this is create website and list website. Let's see the list website. I already added some website. So you see here some website. If I wanna add another website, I can simply click here or I can click here, same. Okay, so for example I click here. Let me see, who studio, cloud audio. Okay, I wanted to add my domain. Okay, select package default, site owner admin. Here is your domain name. Make sure this domain only the domain. Okay, so do not add www or https or any slash. Okay, only domain name, then email, then PHP version. Okay, you should try latest version PHP. Okay, so I don't select this option right now, we will do it later. Okay, just click on the create website and it will take few minutes or few seconds to create. Yeah, and now we can go back. Okay, so if I click on the list website, yeah, we can see here my domain successfully added. Okay, so I can issue SSL certificate from here. If I click here, then after few seconds then successfully will generate SSL certificate. Okay, that's good. We successfully install SSL certificate. Now how we can manage this domain, like file manager or create subdomain, something like that, right? So you just click on the manage. Okay, I click on the manage, and here you will get a lot of modules. It's loading. Okay, it's taking time. Maybe my network issue, my net connection is not good this time. Okay, let me open new tab. Okay, we see here few modules: access logs, error logs, add domain, and the others option. We need this file manager again and again, and on time WordPress WordPress installer. Okay, so we create a website. How we can install WordPress, right? So just click on this WP plus L catch. Okay, so I write my site title, my e-commerce. Okay, user admin and password I type here. Okay, and wait a moment, I have to use my password here. Just paste email, and you keep empty. Okay, we don't need to write here anything. Just click on the install. Okay, it installing. Do not close browser or do not go any other options when this type of loading. Okay, I just no thanks. Configuring installation. Okay, I just close this. Meantime, let me show you the other options under websites. So list of subdomain, add-on, modify website, suspend, unsuspend website, delete website. Okay, so you see here successfully install it. Okay, so if we visit now, our website will be show. Okay, for example, dash Cloudflare. Let me set up my IP address on my domain, arifbillah.com. Okay, and I change my DNS. You should change the DNS from your domain provider. Okay, I am using Cloudflare, so that's why I just change the IP address from my Cloudflare. Okay, record and www, it's okay, fine. Okay, after change this record, I just catch remove. Okay, let me show arifbillah.com. Okay, it takes, you see here it's connected, right? But SSL not issued, so that's why it showed errors. Like, okay, you see my e-commerce and our default website, you see SSL not working. So it's simply, okay, do not try to install SSL before setup IP. Okay, so SSL need to set up after configure your domain. Now time to install or issue SSL. Okay, now I click on the issue SSL. Okay, and now if I add here HTTPS, it's not found, right? No problem, it's processing or loading. Let's wait. Okay, you see SSL successfully issued. Now if I reload, awesome, it's working, right? connection is secure. Okay, let's close. And how can, let's go the create a subdomain options. Okay, subdomain website. Okay, I wanna add a subdomain like staging. Okay, this one. Okay, you see here, this one here is one of my website. Okay, no problem, I just close. Do not to show the website, just here. Okay, make sure the domain, only domain. Okay, subdomain, then dot, let me, okay, only subdomain. It can be CRM, it can be something else. Okay, then your domain name, path. Okay, by default it's okay. You can here path something like staging, or we can path here. Okay, so this mean our website will load from this folder. Okay, home arifbillah.com, and here this folder. Okay, you can write anything else, but I prefer you copy and paste the domain name here. Okay, I use 8.2, you can use also 8.3, but I recommend it right now 8.2. This is latest version. Okay, and stable. Okay, I do not tick mark anything. Okay, after point the domain, you see staging. Okay, staging, where is staging? Okay, no problem, I have to select this one, staging. Okay, oh no, sorry. Okay, so this part may be complicated to you to change the DNS. Okay, DNS record, you should contact your domain provider. It can be Hostinger, it can be GoDaddy, it can be SiteGround, it can be Bluehost. Okay, so you have to contact your hosting provider. They will help you to connect your IP address to domain. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, I click on the create domain. Okay, so again I click list subdomain sub slash add-on domain. So you see here the list, same things. Okay, I already showed the list website, same, the interface was same. If I click on the manage here, you will get same add-ons. Okay, okay, meantime I go to the modify, and here you see the staging.arifbillah.com, same things you will get here from. You can change PSP file manager. Let me go the file manager ons. Okay, Git, PrestaShop, create a FTP account, you can create a file transfer protocol. Okay, okay, so I close. Before close, I wanted to show the file manager. Okay, so you see here, so your main domain files contain here the installed WordPress file you see here, and your subdomain files here. Okay, so if you wanna migrate your website, you should upload the code or file here for staging.arifbillah.com. okay, so if I go here now, staging.arifbillah.com. okay, I didn't issue SSL, so that's why I just use remove this S. No, it's automatically redirect, right? No problem, let me fix the SSL. Where is SSL? Add SSL, add SSL. Okay, let me go here, list subdomain. Okay, and meantime let me edit this code. Okay, Yeah, I click on the issue staging@arifbillah.com, and meantime I wanna add cyberpanel install. Okay, so just modify our cyber panel overview tutorials. Okay, if I say it, and now I click on here our cyber panel overview tutorials. That's mean I actually this file come from here, right? Our subdomain file come from here, this staging.aribilla.com. Okay, yeah, okay. Now modify website. If I click on here, you may need to modify your website. For example, I select my domain name, I can select different package, I can change my email, I can change my PHP version from here. Suspend, unsuspend, we can suspend our domain name from here. Okay, and we can delete our website from here. This is very easy. Just select the domain and click on the delete button. Okay, it will delete within few seconds. This one is package, so for the personal uses we don't need this package. Database, we don't need this database, because when we install WordPress it automatically create database. Okay, let me see the list of database. So we already install few WordPress website in our server. You see the database. Okay, we can manage the database using PHP my admin from here or here. Okay, yeah, okay. Meantime, go to the delete database, same things like the delete WordPress. Okay, yeah, I just select and delete. Okay, create a database. Let me go create a database option, and it's loading PHP my admin. So here from I can create a database also manually. Okay, database name, database username, database password, and then I click on the create database. Okay, so this is very easy. DNS. Okay, this is important. DNS, because if you wanna create a private name server, then you have to create a name server. Okay, default name server, create DNS zone, delete. This is actually very advanced, so you don't need. Okay, so that's why I just ignore it. Email, so okay, yeah, you may need to create a business email account. So for this you have to click on the create email. Now for example, I wanna create a email here. I person ID and the name I info. Okay, info, and password I will use let me copy the password here, the password. Okay, and create email. Let me create email here, it would be better for me. Support story@hostorio.com, and this is the password. Okay, I create. You see mailbox using. Okay, so again I click here, so that's why this error show it. Okay, no problem. If I go here the emails and select hostorio.com, and we see here this email, and here is the others information. You can set up your email on the mobile. Okay, so sometime you may need to or need port and the server address. So this time you just go the list email, and here from you can get the information. You can change also password. You see here there is an error, so just click on here and this error will go. But I am not, now I don't wanna click here because I do not set up domain to the server. Okay, after set up the domain, then I will click here and it will works. Okay, in case if you click here now, no problem, you will get this same button okay later, so don't worry. Delete email address. Okay, I don't think you need to show this one. Just click on here, there isn't email, yeah, and select and delete. Okay, email limit, email forwarding. Okay, change password, that you will get from the list email also. DKM manager, access webmail. Okay, access webmail is important. So if I click on here the access webmail, you see here our databases, you see, yeah, our all the databases show it here. Okay, if I click options, you see http arifbillah.com, this database we create. When install WordPress, this database automatically created. I just close all the pages, and after click here you will get a new interface. Okay, snappy mail. Okay, it's loading. Here you will get username and password box. Okay, it's loading, no problem. Let me show you another option meantime. Okay, FTP, file transfer protocol. Okay, so if I go here, create FTP account so that you can manage or upload the files using this FileZilla or SCP. Okay, so FileZilla you see here, from host, username, password, port, right? So you can create FTP username, password, and path. Okay, so you can leave empty this path also, no problem. Yeah, delete FTP, list FTP, rest FTP. Okay, this is very easy, like uh like others option. Okay, and backup. Okay, so backup is more advanced, we don't want to include this backup. SSL, yeah, we can also install SSL using this option. Okay, so host name, manage SSL. If I click on the manage SSL, so for example I wanna issue the SSL arifbillah.com. If I click here, this arifbillah.com SSL will issue, that I already show it. Okay, we can issue the SSL also, the list website I already show it here. Okay, same way the others SSL. Okay, this is our important option to manage the cyber panel, and there are few options that actually we don't need, but I am show you some important things. Okay, for example, sometime you need to edit PHP time management, PHP max size, etc. So you can do it using this option PHP. Okay, for example PHP 8.2. okay, so if I select here max memory limit, okay, I wanna change the max memory limit 1024 megabyte, max execution 300. Okay, so I increase all the things. Okay, and save change. Okay, okay, that's fine. So same way you can change other PHP version. Logs, okay, this is very advanced, we don't need logs. Option security. Okay, security option also we don't need, because who configured this web server, he or she will customize this option. Okay, you don't need to manage anything from customize anything from here. Okay, And mail setting, you don't need mail setting here. Anything need to do from this mail setting option. Manage service, okay. Plugin, there isn't any plugin. Okay, go back to our snappy mail. Okay, I don't know why this snappy mail loading infinity time. Okay, you see firewall ID, so it's by default okay. There isn't any you don't need to add anything. Okay. Oh wow, snappy mail. Okay, so we already created an email, right? So the email is support@hostoreo.com. You write here your email and the password that you set up. Okay, I here paste this password and sign in. Oh wow, this is empty. And here is your business email interface, so you can send email and you can receive email, your business email. Okay, so I think I covered all the things in this tutorial, and I ignored few options that actually not needed, not mandatory. So let me check again if there anything I miss. I didn't show you because this is very easy. WordPress don't need package. Maybe I left this package. This also don't need. Okay, package don't need. Package actually what is mean? You can if I go to the creative package, let me show. You can limit your website. Okay, so for example your domain disk space. Okay, how many MB can take your website. Okay, for example host arifbillah.com. If I here added 1000 MB, that's mean arifbillah.com can take 1000 MB. If it over, then your website will be errors or suspended automatically, something like that. Okay, so yeah, databases I show it, DNS don't need it. Okay, let me show you some of little bit name server. Okay, so here from you can create a name server. Okay, name server, DNS, delete zone, reset. Okay, add. Okay, so name server, for example my domain name is hostoreo.com, so my name server will be ns1.hostoreo.com, and here will be my IP address. What is my IP address? My IP address is this one. Okay, same way, just ns2 and IP address here. And if I click create a name server, that's mean I create a name server for my this server. If I use this name server for all the website, then the website will be live. Okay, so what is this? There is an error, or yeah, oh no problem. This following name server were successfully created. So sometimes you may need to add a records. Okay, so how you can do that? You can add record from here, but uh here from, if you manage the record from here, this is very complex. But if you manage your record from your domain provider, it will be very easy. Okay, so that's why I ignored these options. Okay, there is two way to set up DNS, here from and the domain. So domain is easy, so you ignore this DNS option. Okay, that's fine, everything is okay. So thank you very much. Okay, bye.